I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can upload your social link on your Roblox account. It's pretty simple. So as you guys can see, you need to go to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox, and log in into your account first. Once you do that, you will be welcome to this dashboard. I think anybody who plays Roblox can do that. Once you're over here, you can click on your profile picture at the top right of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you on your profile. On your profile, what you want to do is, as you guys can see, I've already added my YouTube channel link. That's why it's being shown over here. So to add link like this on your profile, what you want to do is click on the setting icon and click on settings. Now, once you're inside Roblox setting, what you need to do is make sure you're in the account info section. Under account info, scroll all the way down. You will see social link. Now, if you add your Facebook link, your Facebook will be linked. Your Twitter will be linked. Your Twitch, and if you include your guild link like this. So over here, I have pasted the link of my YouTube channel. So you guys can paste link of any social media over here. Once you paste the link, over here you can choose which method you want visible to. I have set it on everyone, so everyone who visits my profile will see my social link. But if I click on no one except me will be able to see my social link. So over here you can choose which type of visibility you want. And after you add all the link and change it to whichever option you like, click on save. Once you click on save, it's going to ask you to enter your Roblox pin, but if you have not set your Roblox pin, it's not going to ask you. So after entering the pin, it's going to say this, click on OK, and your Roblox will have your social link added on your profile. So that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.